I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to tell you something exciting. I will tell you an app which will give you a lots of money just by filling some surveys or making some tasks. You can earn up to more than $10. Just do the simple tasks and surveys and you can earn $10 in a day or more than that. And the name of the app is Swagbug. It's available on both app and website. You can download in mobile or you can use in your desktop or browser as well. As you can see, it is the homepage of that app where you can find different deals and surveys. As you can see, the most popular way is to earn. It is the first option there where you can do different types of deals. As you can see, they are giving earn 500 SB for this task and 4000 SB for this task and more like this. And you can also play games. Just download and play games and they will give you SB as well. Here 100 SB is equal to $1 and the minimum amount of withdrawing is $10. It means 1000 SB. So as soon as you just complete your 1000 SB, you can withdraw your money. And there are daily tasks as well. As you can see, I have done 3. You can do the 6 as well. If you do 4 tasks, as you can see here, it will give you 2 SB. If you do all the 6, it will give you 7 SB. And there are goals as well. If you earn 30 SB in a day, then it will give you 3 SB more. If you earn 93 SB, means the second goal, then it will give you 4 SB for free. And there are some extra bonus as well. If you complete your one goal daily in a week, then they will give you 25 SB. If you regularly or continue to just complete your first goal, they will give you 100 SB. If you continue to it 21 days, it will give you 200 SB, and for a month it will give you 300 SB. There are some different ways to earn SB as well, like just like to daily discover. Here you can download different apps and you can earn SB. There are lots of options you can apply for. They are very convenient and very easy. And you can also do surveys like this. As you can see, it is written here, 5-minute surveys gives you 14 SB. These type of surveys comes in a day. You can fill as many as you can. You just have to check that how many surveys are coming. And there is one more way through which you can also earn SB. It is like betting, where you can just stake your Swag SB here. It is like lottery system. If you just buy an entry, like here you can get 15 entry, so the chances of earning or getting the bonus will be higher. There are 25,000 entry tickets available, and you can get 15 tickets. If your luck is good, then you can get the bonus. Means you win the just giveaway. There are 5 types of giveaways are going on. You can apply any of them. For payout, you just have to go here, and you can also track your activity, that what have you done or how many SB you have earned. Whenever you are disqualified just by filling any survey, they'll also give you 1 SB just for attending the survey. Like as you can see, here I have got 1 SB, 1 SB, and here the survey, and I will get the SB. If you get disqualified in the middle or in the starting. For withdrawing, you can come to my rewards. As you can see, I have cashed out $10. Redeem your SB here. There are several options and donation as well. You can donate your money here in different foundations or projects, or you can also redeem your Flipkart vouchers, Amazon vouchers. Here are all the options through which you can redeem your money. Like for $10 you can redeem it on 1000 SB, $25 on 2500 SB, like this. There are 4 people vouchers. According to your SB, you can redeem any of them, and several options. You can do any of them, like, and you can also get by referring your Swagbucks ID. If someone downloads, you will get SB. If you are using it on your laptop, you can also get just by giving, or you can also get 100 SB bonus just by adding Swagbucks button on your laptop or desktop, which is very easy. I have given the link of this app in the description. You can download from there and start earning from this app. It is very easy app. You can earn more than $10 in a day just by doing small surveys, like I have already shown you. The survey is gone because I didn't attend that. You can also check out my previous video where I have told you about an app through which you can also earn money by just attending simple surveys, which is very fast in paying. I hope you guys like this video. Give us a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. I will see you in next video. Goodbye.